What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Need For Speed Unbound on your PC. So what we need to do is go to our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we can search up this game on Steam first before we can proceed to another website to download this game. So go to the Steam website, after that select it, and we will quickly search up this game, Need For Speed Unbound. Select the game, and after that scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is quite expensive on Steam. It is €69.99, but don't worry, we got a little workaround for that. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now search up the same game, Need For Speed Unbound, and select it. After that select games on the left side, sort by price lowest first, and now we need to look for a PC version and which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green. Once you have found one, select it, and then you will find out that this game is already available for just €4.83 compared to the Steam price of €69.99. So this will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. And now you can purchase this game through this website, and after that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!